So why does solar make so much sense for care homes? Well, there are three big reasons why. Firstly, they use a lot of electricity and they use it during the day. Heating, catering, laundry, lighting, medical equipment, it's all running when the sun is shining, which means a large percentage of the solar power that's generated can be used on site instantly. That translates directly into savings. Secondly, most care homes have large open roof spaces, often on multiple buildings with plenty of exposure to sunlight. That makes it easy to design highly efficient systems that deliver strong returns without compromising the look or the structure of the property. And third, stability. Energy is one of the biggest and most unpredictable operating costs for the care sector. Solar effectively locks in a portion of your electricity at a fixed, predictable price for decades, protecting a business from future price rises. And then you have the environmental benefits: reduced carbon emissions, stronger ESG credentials, and a tangible demonstration of sustainability. It's nice to live in a place where the electricity used is green and fresh and comes from the sun. St Luke's care home is expected to offset over 25 tonnes of CO2 every year. And overall, the scheme across all 22 care homes should offset over 370 tonnes of CO2 every year, which is a significant dent in the business's ESG goals and carbon footprint.